Now welcome. Now chapter 11, now we want to talk about today. And the Bible story now about Isaac and Rebekah. After some time come pass, Sarah con die. Abraham con dey very old well. Now he con look Isaac a pigin. He con see say he don't grow rich to take marry. Abraham con tell him servant, we in trust where we say, he no want make Isaac marry from the country where they dey so. Say make he go Abraham in own country, make he go find wife for Isaac among his relatives. The servant con say, what if the woman no agree to follow and come? Say whether make he carry Isaac, go meet the woman. Abraham con say, lie, no ever carry my pikin go that country, because na God na him carry me comot for that country. The servant come promise Abraham say, go there, go look for wife for Isaac. The next day, the servant come carry many load with better things, carry and put on top of camels. Now he come start the journey to Abraham country. When he reach Abraham country, he come sit down for near one well, because na that time 9 women till they come out, come fetch water. As he sit down for ground, he come pray to God say, make God help him, make him make better decision. He come ask God say, when he ask one of the women who will come fetch water, say make he give him water drink. Say the woman no go only give him water, but he go also give the camels water, make them drink too. That way, you go know say na the woman wey God want make him marry Isaac. Before he finish to pray, one of the women wey dem dey call Rebekah come fetch water. He see say Rebekah fine well. Na he come run go meet am say, abeg, you fit give me small water make I drink. Rebekah come agree to give am water. He come also agree to give the camels water make them drink too. When they don't drink the water finish, the servant can't give Rebekah better gold ring when they put for nails, and he can also give her a chain make he wear. He can't ask Rebekah say, whether space there for her papa house, when go stay, and who her papa even be safe. She can't say her papa na Bethwell, and her grandpapa na Nahor, we be Abraham papa. Na in the servant can't say, thank God o, because he don't carry come Abraham in own papa house. He can't tell Rebekah wetin carry come their side. Rebekah come run go tell her family the story. Before you know wetin dey happen, they don't cook food, arrange space for the servant to stay. The servant can't tell Rebekah papa the whole story from when he come out from house go reach when he reach their house. Rebekah papa can say, now God don already arrange this one now. Wetin else they can talk for the matter? He can say make he carry Rebekah as wife go meet Isaac. The servant can thank God well. He can carry all the many gifts wey he carry, now he can give am to Rebekah family. When they can ask Rebekah say whether he go follow the servant, may go marry Isaac, she just agree quick, no argument at all. When they don't pray for Rebekah finish, she come carry her property, follow the servant, start to travel, go back, go meet them Abraham. Meanwhile, Isaac dey for outside, they meditate. When he come look up, he come see many camels, they travel, they come from far. Now he come start to waka go meet them. Rebekah come see Isaac they come. Now he come ask the servant say, who be that man where they waka they come? Then the servant say, that man where they see so na my oga be that too. Then Rebekah come cover her face where we veil, because he don't want to make Isaac see her real face first. When the servant reach where Isaac dey, he can't tell him all the story and wetin happen. Isaac come look Rebekah, na love at first sight, as she just fine. Then he come carry her, go enter his mama house. He come marry Rebekah. And so Rebekah come turn to Isaac's wife. Isaac come happy well. because e don tey wey dey find woman wey go comfort am since e don tey wey im mama die. Na so the story come end o. Thank you.